Hi everyone, I am Sonali. In our previous video, we have created an employee called as Ravi as a sales manager and the two tabs were pending. In this video, we will cover those two tabs, that is the private information tab and the settings tab. Let's open this. Yes. In our previous video, all the details of this Ravi as a sales manager and a job position and all, we have seen it. And also the resume tab and work information tab we have seen in that video. Now we will cover the private information and the settings tab. Inside the private information, this tab is mainly used to store confidential and personal details of the employee, which are generally handled by the HR department. First, under the private contact section, we can enter the employee's private address, details such as street, city, state, zip code and country. We can also provide a private email address and personal phone number of the employee. Next, we have the bank account field where the employee's bank account details can be maintained for payroll and static processing purpose. Below that, there is an option called home work distance, which helps to track the distance between the employee's home and workplace. We also have the private car plate field to store vehicle registration details if needed. Moving on the right side, we have the citizenship section. Here, HR can manage nationality information, identification number, passport detail, gender, date of birth, place of birth and country of birth. These fields help organization maintain proper employee records and are useful for compliance and documentation purpose. Further down, we have the emergency section. Here we can add the emergency contact name and phone number so the organization can quickly reach the concerned person during emergencies. Next is the family status here section where we can define the marital status and the number of dependent children of the employee. On the right hand side, we have the education section here. This allows us to maintain employee educational information such as certificate level, field of study and school or college detail. Finally, we have here the work permit section. Here visa details, work permit numbers, expiration dates and related documents can be uploaded and managed directly inside Odoo. So overall, this private information tab, it helps HR departments securely maintain all personal, legal, educational and emergency related employee information in one centralized location. Next, we have the settings tab of the employee module. This tab is mainly used to configure employee-related system settings and application preferences. First, under the status, we can define the employee type. For example, the employee can be marked as a regular employee, trainee, worker, student, contractor, freelancer as per the requirement. Next, we have the related user option. Using this, we can link the employee with an Odoo user account. If the employee does not yet have a user account, we can directly create one using the create user option available here, this side, as a create user. On the right hand side, we can see the attendance or find point of sale section. Here, the PIN code and back ID can be configured for the employee. These settings are commonly used in attendance tracking and point of sale operations for employee identification. Below that, we have the application status section. Here we can define the employee's hourly cost. This value is especially useful in project management and timesheet tracking because Odoo can calculate employee related project costs automatically based on working hours. At the bottom, we can also see here the chatter section, the send message, login and activities. So overall, the settings tab helps administrators manage user access, attendance, configuration, employee costing and system related employee settings efficiently within Odoo. Thank you.